Make your love life a hobby. When you put the intention into something, when you do the work, when you do what? When you take action, that's where you'll get results. Why do we sit around thinking our relationship should take care of itself? How's that work for your garden or your parenting? Things gonna take care of themselves? You need to make effort, and that's okay. When you rebrand your thinking, which is what I want you to do today, that your love life is a hobby, it's sacred, it's something you look forward to, you want to make time for, you want to train and get better, just like your golf swing, you're training right now. While you're listening to me here on Sex, Love, and Elephants, you're training right now to be a better partner. You're making your love life a hobby. Enjoy it, make it fun, and carve out the time.